Prime Minister Lee has also congratulated his Japanese counterpart, Shinzo Abe, on the Liberal Democratic Party's victory in the House of Councillors election on Sunday.
In his letter, Mr. Lee mentioned the excellent and multifaceted relationship between Singapore and Japan and said he looked forward to further enhancing ties and pursuing new areas of collaboration.
Mr. Lee also offered his condolences on the recent fire attack on a Kyoto animation studio that killed 33 people. He added that he is confident the resilience of the Japanese people will see them through this difficult time.